How to make a second YouTube channel on phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on any sort of Android or just any phone you're using, right? All you want to do is you can't actually do it within that YouTube application. You want to go over to your browser of choice. So I'm going to be going over to Chrome and then go into YouTube and then just log into your account. Just make sure you're on the website. But once you're here on the top right, press the three little dots, scroll down and you're going to see desktop site. Go ahead and then click on that. Now, once you're on the desktop site, all you want to go ahead and do is on the top right, click your profile icon, and then you're going to see settings as one of the options. Once you go ahead and click on that, it's going to say create channel like so, or it's going to say manage channels. So I can just go ahead and call this anything I want. So, we'll just go ahead and call it something completely random. Once you have, go ahead and press create channel like so, and then you don't have to include a picture, but you can obviously if you want to. But then once it's created, it's going to look like that. On the top right, click your profile. If you want to make a second one, go back to settings, and then it's going to say create a new channel. Go ahead and click on that create a new channel thing, and then you'll be able to create a second one as well.